I've been trading for about like 6 months now, a little bit longer, maybe 7. I don't know, 8. Who knows? But so I opened up an account at Interactive Brokers, and I've been selling puts on here. So I've only been on here for like like this is my second week on Interactive Brokers, but I started with $5,000. I didn't really do anything the first week, so this is really my first week of selling options on Interactive Brokers. But as you can tell, I had a really good week. I know it's not showing up for today. What am I saying tomorrow? It's not showing up for today, and I can't figure out how to fix it. So my account ended a little bit higher than this. I don't know the specifics. I'll make an update when I can figure out exactly what it was. But yeah, so my account up 14% this week. Obviously, that's really really nice. And I tried to do this on the like the software, like the platform, but like it wouldn't work. I don't know why. But yeah, so I'll go to my spreadsheet in just a second. But pretty much, yes, that's Sunday. I don't know why it's showing that, but so Monday we had a pretty good day. I sold some puts, but yeah, we got hit pretty hard. Where did we go from? Almost 5,200 to 5,051, so $150 drop ish, like 130, yeah, 140, but yeah, we got hit hard on the stimulus tweet that Trump said that he wasn't gonna like do a stimulus, so we got hit kind of hard there. But then the next day we rebounded whenever talks of stimulus returned. We actually rebounded really nicely with a $500 gain that day for my net liquidity. So yeah, I mean, and then yesterday was a good day, and then we ended at like 58 or something, 59. So I don't know, almost 20% this week, which is really crazy. But yeah, so I will move it over to my spreadsheet and show you. Okay, so for this stock, this is the day. Yeah, okay. So I kind of looked it up, high liquidity over $100 share price. That's going to be a commonality through all of these. But so I was looking at this, and this dated back to like May, but it had pretty much been, and that's not really, that's better. It had pretty much been battling to kind of break out. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be it. I don't know. The trend line must be off, but it was there. 5, 6, so like seven times in the breakout, right? So the pattern looked like it wasn't gonna break out, right? It was here. This was it right here, I believe. Was that? Oh no, that wasn't it. This was it right here. This is I don't know what I'm thinking. But through all of these you kind of see some greens and some reds. We'd pretty much seen just greens here. And I was thinking, I think that the stimulus talks are going to get better. I just kind of like it was a little bit of a like wild play. But I was guessing the stimulus talks were gonna happen. We're gonna get better, and I was hoping that we would see a breakout. And if we did see a breakout, it would be a big one, and it was. So I didn't even hold. I think I held. Wait, let's see what I held to. Okay, so I just held one day. So I held. Let's see, what's this? So I held here, and then it broke out and it bumped up big. Probably sold at like 210. I don't really remember the exact share price I sold, but again, just looking for a quick gain, so I can move my buying power elsewhere, which is what I was doing. I was trying to relocate my buying power frequently. But yeah, so it had a really nice breakout there, which was good, So, I applaud anybody that was holding calls in Roku during this time. Congratulations on the final breakout. We'll probably see more action from Roku soon. So, yeah, congratulations. Okay, so we're on TradingView now, by the way. This was just it was just like a little wedge here. And I kind of expected it to like explode upwards. It kind of, I mean, it didn't really explode. It went up, Wasn't exactly what I was expecting. I was expecting a little bit more momentum, but for 4 days, I mean, that's pretty great. So I might go bullish on this stock. I wasn't necessarily bullish when I sold the put. I was just kind of like, this is either going to stay still or go up. I don't really know. I'm starting to get bullish on it. It looks like it's chugging along nicely. We might even see it come back up to like this 370, 360 if I don't know. I guess we'll see. Not going to do anything right now, but so that's why I took Lulu. Just high liquidity, over $100 share price. Then I went on and looked at it, and I thought it matched up. So like it just kind of hit every single candlestick perfectly, and then this, yeah, it's what it was. But yeah, so I took it. It worked out. So okay, and then I'll just do one more here. This will have to be my last one since I gotta go. But I was just kind of drawing out chart patterns and just kind of looking for a commonality. And I believe I opened this up Monday, right? Monday? Yeah, Monday. Okay. So what was that? That would have been right here. So what I was looking for here, so I had seen we kind of had some like just kind of like steady action here, and then it would break out, form a wedge, and then go back down. So I saw this, and we were right here, so we hadn't really seen anything. Like if you draw that here, it's just kind of like let's see, that's the 6th. We were right here. Okay, so and this is like beginning of the day, so it would have been like this, there wasn't really anything there. And so I was like, I think that there's some really I think there's a good chance that we're gonna see again a pop up, and then most likely we're gonna see a pop back down in Alibaba, or not, since I mean the chart patterns mean 20% of what the what the stock's gonna do right now, since the news is so heavily weighed in on everything. But like so it happened again. So we kind of saw like here, see this, and then that. So we kind of saw another I think it's a bull trap. But yeah. So I mean all of these were just kind of chart patterns, and then just kind of hoping the stimulus talks went well. My account could have really taken like a 10, maybe probably like a 10% hit if stimulus talks had gone to shit, which they did for a day. But yeah, I mean, if stimulus talks had continued to go bad, I probably could have taken as much as a 10% hit. But luckily they didn't, and they went well, which is what I was betting on. So yeah, I mean, I hope this was educational. I'll be making these every week. I think I'll be out of town again next week, but I'll try and get it in on Thursday. That's what I'll try and do. Since I leave Friday of next week, I'll try and get it in Thursday. But yeah, I hope this helps. I'll have a complete spreadsheet next week. But yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'll be making active and live trades there if I have time, which I most of the time do. But anyway, I'm going on. Yeah, have a good weekend, and I hope you guys were all profitable this week, So enjoy.